What do you do when your property manager stops picking up the phone, but you are legally locked into their contract for another 8 months? Maintenance requests go unanswered, tenants are calling you directly because no one else is responding, and when you try to leave, you find out that the termination clause is going to cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars to get out. I'm Christi Lagasse, the Director of Growth at SJA Property Management. We have spent over 17 years and are currently managing over 1,000 properties across the greater Seattle area. One of the most common conversations we have is with landlords who did not realize they were signing a trap until they were already inside one. Today, I want to show you exactly what to watch out for and what a property management relationship should actually look like. Let's get into it. Most landlords do their homework on the wrong things. They manage fee percentages. They read the website. They sit through a very polished sales call, and then they sign a 12-month contract without reading the termination clause. That is where the trap is. Here are some red flags that you could look for that would make you slow down before you put the pen to paper. A long lock-in period with no performance benchmarks. If a contract requires 12 months of a commitment but includes no language about what happens if the company fails to deliver, that contract protects the company, not you. Steep early termination fees. Some contracts charge 2 to 3 months of management fees just to exit. That means even if your property manager is completely unresponsive, you are still paying to leave. Vague language around communication standards. If a contract does not specify response time expectations for maintenance requests, owner inquiries, or tenant issues, it is because there are none, and you will find that out the hard way. No accountability for vacancy. If there is no guarantee tied to how quickly they lease your property, there is no incentive for them to move quickly. Your vacancy is just a line item to them. The sales pitch is likely the best version of the relationship you will ever have with some companies. Once you are signed, the leverage shifts entirely to them. The financial cost of a bad property manager is easy to calculate. Extended vacancies because leasing is slow. That's about 8% loss every month. Maintenance issues that escalate because no one is following up with the vendors. Tenants who get frustrated and leave because their requests go unanswered, triggering another full turnover cycle. But the cost that does not show up on a spreadsheet is harder to put a number on. It is the stress of owning a property that is supposed to be a passive investment, but requires you to chase your property manager for basic information. It is the anxiety of not knowing what is happening at your property because the updates stopped coming. It is the feeling of being stuck, knowing the relationship is not working, but believing you have no way out. A lot of landlords stay in their bad contracts far longer than they should because they think switching is complicated. They worry about the tenant transition, the documentation handoff, the termination fees, so they stay and the situation continues to erode. Switching property managers is not that complicated when a solid company handles it. What is complicated is staying in a relationship that is not working for another 6 months because you are afraid to leave. If this is resonating, go ahead and hit subscribe. We cover landlord topics like this every week, and a like helps more property owners find this before they sign something they regret. Now let's talk about what the alternative actually could look like. A solid property management company does not need a long lock-in contract to keep clients. Their results do that. What a healthy property management relationship looks like in practice is clear communication with defined response time expectations. A digital owner portal where you can see exactly what is happening at your property in real time. Maintenance requests that get triaged and resolved quickly with updates to you along the way. Proactive communication when something comes up, rather than you having to chase someone down to find it. And when it comes to the contract itself, the language should be the roadmap to define what happens if something were to happen. The question you should be asking any property manager before you sign up is, what happens if I'm not happy? If the answer is vague, or if the answer involves a termination fee, that tells you everything you need to know about how that company views the relationship. At SJA, we built our entire client relationship around one belief: trust. That is why we offer what we call our happiness guarantee, which is one of our 8 client satisfaction guarantees. If you are not completely satisfied with SJA within the first 3 months, you can cancel anytime. No termination fees, no penalties, and we will refund your paid monthly management charges. Hear that again. We refund your paid management charges if you are not happy. We do not believe in locking clients in. We believe in earning the right to keep managing your property every single month by actually delivering results. Responsive communication, fast leasing, proactive maintenance, real accountability. The reason we can offer this guarantee is because we are confident in what our process produces. We are not afraid of a client who holds us to a high standard. In fact, that is exactly the kind of client we want to work with. If you've been sitting on the fence about switching property managers because you are worried about the process, the fees, or the disruption, this is your answer. There is no risk in having the conversation. If your current property manager is not delivering, let's talk about what switching to SJA actually looks like for your property with zero obligation and zero risk. And if this video helped you see what a property management relationship should actually look like, hit like and subscribe to our channel. We put out practical, honest content for Seattle landlords every week. We'll see you next time.